Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author and trading view with over 190k reputation points. In this video, I will be taking a pair, breaking it down from a technical and order flow perspective. And in doing so, I will provide as much free education as possible. So I really suggest that you stick to the video till the end, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about EURJPY because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. Starting here on the monthly, in fact, what we can notice is that the market has just created a very strong impulse to the upside, followed by this correction. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, what you have to do is take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how the market has just retraced exactly to the 50% of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse, which is also lining up with previous resistance turned support, creating a very strong area of confluence of demand and support around here that we could expect the market to reject to the upside. Now, if we go down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? From a weekly perspective, we can see that the last time that we tested this zone here, the market also had created this M pattern. And in general, after the creation of an M pattern, what we would like to see is for the market to create a rejection to the upside, to go and complete the pattern at the previous support turned resistance. And that resistance, after the completion, is exactly what the market is currently testing and rejecting to the downside. So the pattern has already been completed. Dropping down the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, we can see how in creating this move to the downside, the market is also printing this M pattern. And as I said earlier, after the creation of an M pattern, we would like to see the market create a completion at the neckline, which is previous support turned resistance. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, and we check the data for the euro, we can see how with the last reports, net positions have been increasing. We went from minus 42k net positions up to now having minus 34k net positions, with 8.3k longs added with the last report. And if we go and see what we have on the JPY, we can see net positions that are getting increased as well. So this is overall bullish for the JPY, and that is the reason for which we're getting this rejection to the downside. However, what we could expect in a situation in which you have both pairs which are getting stronger is to have many corrections along the way, even though one in the end might end up prevailing on the other one and establishing a trend, whether it be bullish or bearish. Anyway, when you have a situation in which both pairs are getting stronger or weaker, then you will have a lot of corrections along the way in most cases. What this indicates is that since we have an M pattern, there is a very high probability of, after this impulse getting completed, for the market to providing a correction and completing the pattern at the neckline. So there is definitely a possibility to see the market create a rejection higher, providing a short-term longing opportunity back to the neckline of the M pattern. Now, how we could be approaching such opportunity? Now, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we would have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point we could be looking for a potential rejection to the upside for the completion of the pattern at the neckline. Now, if you don't know what I'm speaking about when I say valid entries and this kind of things, that is all part of the mentorship program, which you can find at transparentfxtrading.com. What you will see here is that you have the possibility to get access to my entire course, plus all the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to gain access to one-on-one mentoring directly with me, with market breakdowns with Telegram signals, the COT data software that we used directly in this analysis that we just made, and the trading station software as well, which puts together everything that you need as a trader all in one interface. And if you scroll down past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment I'm running this massive promotion in which not only you have a big discount on the upfront price of the mentorship program, which is now only $97, but you also have the possibility to get a full refund of that $97 if you open an account with Blueberry Markets, the Forex broker, since I have partnered with them. And if you scroll down, you will see that you have here all the details, and you have the possibility to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout process. So definitely looking forward to have you on board. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in my next video.